In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add contacts to Yahoo Mail. To get started, sign into your Yahoo account and open Yahoo Mail. Once you're inside your mailbox, take a look over to the right-hand sidebar. Near the top of that area, you'll find a set of tabs. Click on Contacts to open your contact list and contact management options. After the Contact section opens, look for the option that says Add a new contact and click it. This will open a form where you can enter the details for the person you want to save. Yahoo Mail gives you several fields here, and you can fill in as much or as little as you need. Start by entering the contact's name. You can add a first name, middle name, and last name. At least one name field is required, so make sure you enter at least part of the person's name before saving. If you want, you can also add a nickname. This can be helpful if the person is commonly known by a shorter name, a preferred name, or a business name that's easier for you to remember at a glance. Next, enter the contact's email address and phone number. These are often the most useful details, especially if you plan to email them often or want their information stored in one place for quick access. If you have additional information, you can continue filling out the other available fields as well. Yahoo also lets you add more detailed information, such as the contact's address, work details, and other personal details. These extra fields are optional, but they can be useful if you want to keep a more complete contact record. For example, adding work information can help you separate personal contacts from professional ones, and including an address may be useful if you use your contacts list as a simple address book. Once you've entered everything you want to save, click Save. Yahoo Mail will then add that person to your contacts list, and their information will be stored for future use. This makes it easier to find them later and can also help speed up email composition when Yahoo suggests saved contacts as you type. And that's all it takes to add contacts to Yahoo Mail. It's a quick process, and once you know where the Contacts tab is, saving new people becomes very easy.